So I'm really enjoying these classes, and it's like the little things that I've never heard of before that I'm specifically having a lot of fun with. And one of them is the vegetable concentrate you made. I can't remember which class it was, but that was just like a revelation to me, like how easy and how much it adds. And so I guess I was just a little bit curious about the science of it and then the history of it.
Of the concentrate?
The
concentrate. Actually, sometimes, especially during the winter, if you want to make a risotto, and I want to make a risotto, and I don't want to use the stuff you buy at the supermarket. I came up with this idea, to blend everything. Yeah. And then salt is a preservative, and so I put together everything, and I tried, and it lasts 3 weeks, 2 weeks in the fridge. So I thought, I'm gonna make it this again.
That has been I would say that's been the biggest daily addition to my cooking.
Oh, I'm glad to
thank you
hear
for that.
Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah.
Very cool.
That's so awesome. Yeah, Becky, it's funny because when we did that, you should have seen me when we were doing the test. I remember doing the exact same thing and being like, Chicca, this is amazing. Like I normally go to the store and buy a lot of stock. And so it was just nice to be able to make fresh stock and, and that's
keep it for a while.
Keep it for a while. Yeah. So I really love that you brought that up. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right. Next we have Miriam.
Miriam, ciao.
Hi.
I have a very quick question. I made the potato gnocchi last week and I have some left in the freezer. Do you defrost them before cooking or do you cook them frozen?
No. But did you blanch them? Did you blanch them before? Yes? Okay, no. Just throw them in boiling water, unthawed. No, don't defrost them. Yeah.
So just so everybody, because Miriam, we couldn't hear you quite as loud. So just wanted to recap what you said. So Miriam made the potato gnocchi from last time, and she had some extra. So she blanched them, and then she froze them, and now they're frozen. And so she just asked Chicca if when she cooks it, does she need to defrost it, or if she needs to can she just throw it in the boiling water? So just wanted to make sure everyone heard that. Thanks, Miriam.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
All right, thanks. Miriam has also visited Chicca. We've seen her in one of our classes as well. All right, Jerlaman, I'm gonna bring you up.
And I just wanted to ask, what is your favorite beverage to then drink with your meals?
Can I say water?
Okay.
Yeah, I like wine very much, but wine has an effect on me right away. After one glass, I'm dangerous. So so I need to go careful with wine. So I think, but actually this was a good question because I never drink much during my meal. And because I don't feel, I feel that I get right away very full. So I eat just before a little bit, but I don't drink much. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for your question. And I would like to point out, Chicca, that it doesn't, you're funny how you're like, it takes one glass and then I get dangerous. I feel like you're dangerous even before one glass.
This is what Arnaud thinks too. Same thing.
Oh man.
Same thing.
Too funny.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you everyone. That was really fun. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you enjoy your tiramisu when it's done. Let us know on social media. If you remember, let us know in the private Facebook group. We'd love to hear how it goes. And if you ever make it again, which we hope you do, and put your own twist on it, maybe, let us know.
All right, so we'll sign off. We'll let everybody unmute themselves to say goodbye, and we'll see you in 3 weeks for our next class. All right, everybody.
Yeah,
there.
really. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Hi, everybody. It's going to end in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.